Neeta Lola decided to go bridal and woo the Dulhans for the coming season. Rich brocades, vibrant colors, lehengas and anarkalis dominated Neeta's collection. Babita Malkhani decided to go Western as her collection was aptly titled Metamorphosis. She used nuts and bolts, and just like the metals, Babita ne use kiye metallic colors like grey, nude, black and charcoal. So Sibi, you went to some of the best and the worst shows this fashion week. So tell us a little bit about Sabyasachi. I'm really excited to know.
I know, even I was really excited before I went for the show, and I'd heard that, if I'm a Sardarni and I'm a Punjabi girl, that I'm going to get really excited because this is like straight out of Patiala. And just for the record, I've never been to Patiala, but I really thought like there'll be Patiala salwars and very colorful and vibrant prints and colors. But this was like straight out of Kandahar and Kabul and I don't know where. So I'm not saying that the collection was bad or anything. It's just that it was disappointing because it was not what I had expected. And yes, Sabya, you can say, kind of has courage because उन्होंने इतने flat mojeries पहना के बिचारी models को तो prove करवा दिया है कि they are very short and they are probably not tall enough for ramp models.
All right, tell us a little bit about Manish Malhotra. He's quite a favorite here.
Yes, Manish Malhotra, of course, he's a favorite. He's my favorite too. But can I ask you a question, Urvashi? आपने इतनी publicity देखी है, इतना print में पढ़ा है about Manish Malhotra's finale show. How much do you know about his clothes really?
Well, actually, I don't know much about his clothes.
See, this is exactly my point because Manish Malhotra ने खुद को अपने आप को इतना overshadow कर लिया कि whether it was media or whether it was the people, वहाँ पे सिर्फ एक ही चर्चा हो रही थी कि कौन से stars आए हैं, कौन से stars चलेंगे, कौन किसके साथ बैठेगा, and it all became about the stars and not the designer.
Sad but true. All right, तो किसी ने और ने तो notice नहीं करा, लेकिन आप बताओ आपको कैसे लगे उसके कपड़े?
Well, I kind of was a little surprised at the kind of those ghagra kind of thingies, those anarkalis that he made the guys wear. Excuse me, I mean, really, we are not looking to see our guys in tents like that. The one thing that struck me while I was looking at his collection was that Manish has made some of the worst dressed girls with not the perfect figures, the hottest looking divas of Bollywood. तो अगर आप काजोल को देखते हैं, अगर आप करिश्मा को देखते हैं, अगर आप उर्मिला को देखते हैं, रानी मुखर्जी, so some of them have been really lousy dressers and some of them cannot boast of great bodies, but oh my god, in some of their movies Manish brought out their best. And in fact I think अगर वो hit बनी, अगर उनकी picture hit हुई है तो it's all thanks to Manish's designs. तो अगर वो मूवीज़ में जहाँ पे उनकी हीरोइंस कभी मोटी रही हैं तो कभी नाटी रही हैं और दे डोंट नो हाउ टू कैरी ऑफ द क्लोथ्स, उनको इतना ज़बरदस्त ग्लैम दीवास बना दिया है. I don't know, I think I was expecting too much from his collection this time, probably.
Hey.
And Urvashi, if you are really so curious, and I'm sure some of our viewers are dying to see Manish Malhotra's clothes, we can give them a deco, but before that, we're going to show the guys wearing the tents.
Let's go for it.